Plaza. This is New York Living.
Yes.
So you know what's, it's not popular to me because I haven't been lucky enough, but ugly Christmas sweaters.
Yeah, but I don't think it was intentionally supposed to be
No,
an ugly Christmas sweater, but I got it as a gift and it was an ugly Christmas sweater.
We're just not gonna
Okay,
talk
we're
about it
just
at
not
all.
gonna.
However, we are going to make some ugly Christmas sweaters, okay? It's a DIY situation.
I love it.
Everything that will be put on this sweater is removable. So you don't have to ruin a perfectly fabulous sweater that you already possess. There's only one woman for this job. This one.
The gorgeous lady.
Yes, Carrie Quigley. She's coming back to help us. She's the founder of the fashion class, which teaches fashion and sewing design to people of all ages. She's also the author of the book Fashion Design for Kids. Hello and welcome back, Carrie.
Hello, hello.
Did you make this fabulous?
I sure did.
believe
This
this?
is one of my beautiful, ugly, fabulous sweaters. It
my
lights
gosh.
up. It's got some fun movement.
The whole thing.
So I'm going to teach you guys how to make this today.
Well, she also knows that I'm terrible at DIY.
No.
So she's
I love
gonna
DIY.
well, good. You do the whole thing. I'm going to do it with
Okay,
you.
so what exactly are we going to make today?
Sure. So we are making our fabulous holiday sweaters.
Okay.
You guys can decorate these for all your holiday parties. And
Okay.
come January 1st, everything is removable. So it is a no-waste craft. You get your sweater
Beautiful.
back.
All right, I'm going to swap.
I'm going to scooch over. Okay.
Yep. What do we
So
have
we
with
have,
us?
You each have these little micro stitch tools, and what
Oh,
this does is
thought it was
this.
a glue gun.
It
So
is
did
not
I.
a glue. No gluing today.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You each have a little micro stitch.
Okay.
And
What is this called for people at home who
This
are
is-
crafty and want to do this?
this is
looks
called
scary.
a micro stitch,
Okay.
and what it does is it inserts a tiny little plastic tab
Oh,
into
I
the
see.
fabric, and it attaches. What I have is felt here, but you can
Okay.
use fabric. It attaches it to your sweater.
Where can
Okay.
folks get this doohickey?
Amazon.
Amazon.
A craft store.
A craft
Yep.
store?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
These can also hem your pants, so it's a nice little tool to
Oh,
have.
I like
To know.
that.
You know?
All right, so we
All
have
right, so what do
this.
we do?
So I have a fa la la or a Merry and Bright. Here,
Okay,
Marisol,
so I
I'll
have a
give you
So we
this.
have
I'll give you
felt.
this. Do you want
Thank
the
you. I was like, you
snowman?
gave me a whole
I'm gonna give you a
dissertation
snowman.
to
Yes,
put on this.
you're
No,
gonna
thank
have a
you. Give me the
snowman.
snowman. And this is
Okay.
just felt.
It's just felt. Whoops.
Oh, shoot.
Sorry, it was all separate.
Nope, sorry, that was
Okay.
my fault.
So we just lay it
Hazel,
out.
what do you have?
Merry and bright.
Merry
Okay,
and Bright.
I like that.
yes. So we're just gonna lay it out, and how
Okay.
you start is watch the little point,
Okay.
where we're pushing the point of the micro stitch
Okay.
through the felt and through the front of your sweater, and then you're just pressing a little button, and it attaches this tiny little tab. Whoops, and it sticks it to your sweater.
I feel like this is
Wait,
the
what?
technology that one uses for like a price tag. Is that?
Wait,
It
what?
kind of is, but the tags are a little bit
Ooh, I
smaller.
didn't do this right.
So it's
Oh
a
my gosh! And just like that.
yeah, just like that. It
So you
attaches.
just poke it through?
You just poke it through and
You
press.
gotta stab it first.
Yeah, you gotta make sure.
And
it goes-
then-
there you go.
It's still not sticking
then
to
Yours
the
hit it.
isn't
sweater.
sticking. Let's see.
Kind of did. I'll try it again.
Yeah, try
Do
it again. You
do
do
it
have
like you mean it.
You do have to do kind of a few of these all the way around your felt piece.
Okay.
So this is instead of gluing.
This is instead of
or
gluing.
sewing.
Exactly, or sewing. And you could just cut these off and then you have your sweater back.
Beautiful.
So you
gosh.
don't have to waste a perfectly good sweater. You can make it as ugly, tacky, fabulous, glitzy as you want.
But I want. So you've taken ugly sweater to a whole new level because you have lights.
Yes,
Yeah.
so I'm going to show you
How
some of
the
the
heck?
other crafts while
Okay.
you guys are attaching your
to
belts.
attack our
So I have
sweaters.
these tiny, tiny little ornaments.
Okay.
And again, you could buy them on Amazon, craft
craft
stores.
store.
And I have safety pins. I have some fancy safety pins, but you could use regular safety pins.
Okay.
And to
Okay.
attach these, I just simply, same kind of thing, attach from the back of the sweater.
No way.
Push the safety pin through, attach the ornament.
That's so cute.
Look at this. You also brought Hazel. I'm gonna dig into the bowl of babies.
Okay. Oh
We
my
have
gosh.
a bowl of
Look at
babies,
this. She has
of
a
Christmas
bowl
gnomes.
Of babies or Christmas
And they're
gnomes.
on my sweater too.
And does this
You
go
are
on
crazy
with,
town.
with a safety pin as well?
This I would put on with a safety pin as well, yep.
I'm like
Where-
trying
yeah,
to
I
get
have a
this
safety
done
pin.
so
Safety pins.
fast.
And you got to do it through the clothes and the little hat.
So
the little hat
is
comes
this, as we continue to make these fashion-forward ugly sweaters, talk to us about your day job,
Yes.
the fashion
Yeah,
class.
because we can learn this in
Yes,
the class,
about
right?
that. Yeah, so at the fashion class, I teach kids how to sew and make their own clothing. Not just kids, actually, adults. We start at age 2 all the way up through adults. And you can join us
Really?
and learn how to sew actual clothing.
This
Wow.
is fantastic.
And we do crafts as well, birthday parties, summer camps, and we are now franchising.
Oh,
Yes.
congratulations!
Thank you.
That's
Thank you.
amazing.
So I started,
Entrepreneur lady.
Thank you. I started in 2010, so it's been 13 years Still
my
going
gosh.
strong. I figured it's
for
time to
you.
expand.
But I feel
Thank
like-
you so much.
I think it's great too because I find that a lot of kids, you know, that I've met have wanted to be able to make their own clothes. You know, they see things on social media like, I want
Yes.
that, but it costs $1 gazillion.
Yes.
This is wonderful that you do to teach kids to make their own.
She's a good
It's
egg,
a
this
lifelong
one.
skill, you know.
And then this,
And these are little pins. Yep. If you
so
want to add these
basically
little
what you're
pins.
saying is, I too can make my own.
Yes, you absolutely
If I can do it, anyone can do it. And the
If
best
you would
part,
like to join me, I will teach you to sew.
So we have elves, we have felt
wreaths.
letters, we have
We have
snowflakes.
wreaths. We have
Oh, wait.
snowflakes you can attach as well.
Oh my
how you doing
gosh.
over there? All right, let's see. Oh, so look at you, did a great job.
Well, it just says
You're
Mary.
doing great. No, it takes a little bit of time.
My
But how do you get-
snowman
keep
looks a
going.
little
How do you
cockeyed,
stick
but-
this thing on?
Safety pins.
Oh, safety
Yeah, there's a
pins.
little hole in the top.
All right, I
right
have,
there.
Okay.
I have the
Oh.
beginning of one.
Yes, yours
I would have
just
to
started.
finish. But look,
Honestly,
not terrible.
That is
Okay.
gorgeous.
I'm just
Not
gonna do this.
his eyeballs look like he's had a few too many.
Oh my
His
God.
hat's a little off, but that's okay.
This is so great.
I don't think
I
she's.
love this.
She's gonna keep doing this. I can
fine.
tell.
I'm
She's
not
gonna do
leaving.
it.
We'll leave
She's
it.
going to do the rest of the show by herself so I can make my
Carrie,
sweater.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for having me.
You can learn more about the fashion class online at thefashionclass.com. You can also follow them at Instagram at the fashion class.
That's
This is
so-
haute couture.
It's beautiful.
I love it.
I think you should continue.
I love this.
This is good. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
course,
Great
thank
tip.
you.
I'm
I
telling
want
you.
this thing. I got to get one of these.
This is a good
Very
thing.
handy.
I want the bowl of babies
You can have
because
one.
that's just
Thank
adorable.
you so much for coming on. This is so
Thank
wonderful.
you so much
So
for
very
having me.
cool.
This was fun.
Wonderful.
Happy
Oh, did you
holidays.
even
Happy
have a wooden
holidays.
thing? I can't.
That's
Okay,
right.
still
I
ahead.
know.
From side eyes to resting Grinch face, body language expert Jess Bonsa is breaking down body language to be aware of before you head out to those holiday gatherings. Honestly, if you wear this sweater, it doesn't matter what your body language is doing.